Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are today in this video job opportunities from 4 companies. So let's get started. First is Seaman Companies hiring. They are hiring full stack developer position. In order to apply for this position, viewers, eligibility criteria includes experience in design and development using C, good understanding about C, Azure technologies and services, 0 to 2 years of experience in software development, early professional, entry level job and as well as full time employment. In the same notification, they clearly mentioned regarding job description also, which includes design software solution based on customer requirements, implement software solution as per design, example coding, implement and test a solution like unit test using NU unit, MS test, review software work product within software development lifecycle and business related project constraints. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in description. Next job opportunity from Cisco company. They are hiring technical graduate apprentice position viewers, work location Bangalore. In order to apply for this position, eligibility criteria includes a bachelor degree holder in computer science engineering or computer applications, networking, information technology, electronics and electrical engineering, data engineering or similar field. Candidates are eligible for this position, must have graduated by 2020 and have no work experience. This role is completely for freshers, must be available for a period of 12 months starting July 2021. Candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English, passion for technology and desire to learn with proactive engagement in team. Interested candidates can apply for this position. Even in the same notification, they mention regarding job description, which includes developing documentation, flow charts, layouts, diagrams, charts. So basically, candidate need to possess presentation skills, documentation skills, suggest solutions to solve business challenges and shadow system engineers who solve complex and largest scale network challenges as well as maintain relationship with customers, in the sense problem solving skills. And next job notification from ECE company is hiring viewers, software engineering position. They are conducting online test which opens at March 12th, closing date March 21st. Duration is 5 hours. First you need to register with HackerRath. So before going into registration process, viewers, let's see eligibility criteria. Minimum 6 months experience is mandatory to apply for this particular position. Candidate need to have knowledge regarding Python. Challenge format, build an application using Python. For selected candidates, salary varies between 7 lakhs to 20 lakhs based upon their qualification and as well as experience. Temporarily remote position, work from home option. We had 20 positions. Required skills, core talents, data lead decisions, broad thinking, knowledge regarding C, C++, Python. Technology work with predominantly includes AWS, Python, Node.js, code pipeline. Even they mention regarding code pipeline also, Amazon Connect. So those who are interested can apply for this position viewers. First you need to register and attend test. So I am going to provide link in description. Through link you can register for this particular position, in the sense for online test. And next job role from Accenture. Accenture is hiring new associate order to cash processing position. So position is associate. Any graduates, if you done your graduation in any stream, you can apply for this position, both freshers and experience. What we are looking for, they starting of the notification, they clearly mentioned what they are expecting from the candidate: ability to perform under pressure, ability to establish strong client relationship, work well in the team, handle disputes, and meet deadlines. It would be value add if you have proficient in, but not compulsory. It will be added value, accounts payable processing, accounts receivable ledger maintenance, automation and analytics, and last and very well known point, candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Roles and responsibilities includes you are required to solve routine problems and we need to report and solve them by using general guidelines. Our immediate interaction with our team and as well as direct supervisor, complete all the tasks as per the instructions given to you. And very known point in every Accenture notification is having a basic knowledge of statistic terms, and we need to use those terms while discussing with the stakeholders. You will be working closely with the project members to effectively deliver on requirements. You will be an individual contributor as a part of a team with predetermined scope of work. And lastly, the candidate need to be flexible enough. We had rotational shifts. Any graduates can apply for this position. Interested candidates can apply. I am going to provide link in description. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, I am going to provide 4 important links in the description. Through link you can apply particular position if it is matches to your profile. And please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel and hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.